hope you're really, really well. This is a hand, not a face video, only because I'm working really, really hard while Phil's over in Paris and I haven't got my hair or makeup done. So, being vain, yeah, we're all vain. I don't care what anyone says. I thought I'd do my hands because my hands are being manicured, so I don't feel too bad about that. But yeah, they had on Shop Disney, they had the new Sleeping Beauty pins, and it's for the 65th anniversary, and I'm so excited because the 10 pins form Maleficent's dragon, and so I thought I've got to do that. But I've actually got some more pins coming to me from America. And so for those that don't know, why we've been so busy and why I haven't been on YouTube is we actually offer a Disney pickup service, and the link is down in the description box right down below. But this is the actual group on Facebook, and if you go along and if you join it, you'll have there's a load of rules there, but read it because it explains exactly how the group works and how the pickups work, and then you'll come into the group. And with it, we go to Paris at least twice a month. Sometimes on the rare occasion it's once, but mainly twice a month, and we get all the pins for you. Now, even if it's a big release and we're not there, we're still able to get all of the pins for you, so we don't have to be there to get all the pins. And this week it is absolutely amazing. They've got a carnival set of 10 pins from Disneyland Paris. So hop across. If you're not in the group already, go and join the group. Go and look at the featured posts and you'll see the flyer for Paris. And if you'd like some Disneyland Paris pins, that's how to get it. And also, I do get a lot of questions, and that is, can you get things from UK websites? And yes, I can. So like these pins were $29.99 plus tax in America. On Shop Disney UK, they're £14. So if anyone wants any of these and wants me to order them, I can ship them on their own, or we can ship them as part of your Paris order or any other park order that you choose to do with us. So I hope that's explained it a little bit. But if you head over to the group, I'll put the post here again, but it's all down in the information box. Go and join it, and any questions there, myself or the admins to the group, Carla, Leah, Sarah, Savannah, Blake and Phil, or myself will be able to answer those for you. Or our moderators, Nikki, Verity, and Sam will all be able to answer any questions that you have. So hope that's helped, and that's a way to get Disneyland Paris pins and pins in the parks when you're not there. So I digress. I always digress. So I've got these boxes. So these boxes I got off shopdisney.co.uk for £14. I've also got some more boxes coming because I didn't think these would go to Shop Disney, and I was really shocked when they did. So I've got some more as well. So if I don't do the set, I've got some more. And if I get duplicates, these will go into my group for people to swap or trade or purchase for. So shall we start? I've got 10 boxes, guys. 10 boxes! So let's stack all these up and let's see how many we need to actually open to get this set. So these are all the pins. There's 10 pins. And yeah, so if I come in there, that's what we can make. I am so excited. I am so excited. So here we go. I might need my scissors. Right, so two baggies in every packet. So box one in the bin. I'll tidy up as I go along. Right, so what's the first piece? I've got, oh, these are really good. They're really big. Now, is that Fauna? I'm going to struggle because I only know Fauna and Merryweather, and I forgot the other name, so you'll all be shouting at me. So let's put this onto my pin folio board here from my lovely friends over at Pinfolio. So let's figure out, where's this go on the dragon? So she's like kind of there, so we'll just put her there for now and then we'll rearrange it. So that's bag one. In fact, I'm going to get my bin out from underneath the desk so that I know it's here. Right, let's carry on. So what's next? Next I've got, oh, I've got the King. I've got Philip's. Is that Philip's dad or the King? No, that's a king, isn't it? Oh, dear me, Karen, that's a king. Oh, it's going to be a knowledge test. So, it's always tricky to put these together. Do you know what? I might not... Do I put it on the board? Do I just hang fire? I think I'm going to hang fire. Right, so 2 out of 10. Right, next box. Next box. I love this. And do you know, Disneyland Paris don't actually do mystery boxes. And when we first went, we thought, how bizarre. Yeah, but oh, I hate it when they're open like that. Can you see it's open inside? Yeah, and I got my first duplicate because it was an open baggie. So I've got another king there. So let's have a look here. Ooh, is this another fairy? Oh, well, that's not very good. That's my first duplicate. Look, well, if I get 10 of each pin. So that's another duplicate. So that box wasn't meant to be, was it? So those are duplicates. So let's carry on. Yeah, so they don't. In Japan, sorry, someone was at the door. Right, so in Japan, they do have mystery boxes, but only a couple. Yeah, oh, another pointed one. You're not going to believe this. Do you think that I've just got 10 boxes of the same? Oh my word. Oh my word. Now this one's different. Yay, so this one's different. I was starting to panic then. Right, so I've got, I think that, is that Fauna? I think that's Fauna. So she actually goes next to who I think is Merryweather. And I've probably got that all wrong. Right, so how does this go? So she goes, I'm just going to put her there for now. Right, so far we have got 3 duplicates. Yeah, so I don't know about Hong Kong or Shanghai because I haven't been there yet. But so these boxes are really, oh, that's right. I thought it was another duplicate. So I've got the 3 fairies. Yay, yay. So I've got the 3 fairies. So I've completed the wing on Maleficent's left-hand side. So, yeah, I was really shocked. When we first went to Paris, I thought, oh, they're bound to have mystery boxes. But no, they don't. But what they do on their pins is they have it. So they're a smaller limited edition size. So Paris pins generally are 700 or 400 as a rule of thumb. Prince Philip and Prince Philip. Oh, he goes at the top. He's one of, oh, he's her head. He's Maleficent's head. Right, okay. Okie dokies. Right, so what we got? Yeah, that's right. 4 boxes down. I was panicking then. I was panicking. This is going to be quite a big dragon as well. I love this. And for anyone who doesn't know, my pin journey actually started with, I've got another one of this one. It actually started off with the map of America, which was probably about 2018, 17, something like that. And I've actually completed it and it's framed on my wall. Oh, and I've got another. I'm getting a lot of the fairies. So I've got a complete spare set of fairies. So don't forget, join the group if you're looking to trade. Right, let's have a look. I think I've got another one. I have. I think I'm heavy on fairies. Nikki in my group said, oh, you'll be fine, Karen, with 10 boxes. You'll easily do it. Yeah. I think she's cursed me. Right, so this is what I've got so far. Can it come in? So I've actually got the head. Right, I've got 4 boxes left. And I need 5 pins. Oh my word. Ah, no, this one feels different. And which one is this? Ah, I've got Maleficent herself. I I do. I absolutely adore Maleficent. And for anyone who doesn't know, I'm a villain. I like villains because I think the villains have got a lot more depth in their characters. Just my take on it. Oh, I've got another new one. Who's this? Who is this? Oh, that's the owl wearing his hat. So I'm just looking here. So that goes over. So I'm missing. Right, so this one goes over there. Like so. Okie dokies. Right, 7. I need 3 more. I've got a 50-50 chance, 6 boxes. Can't believe I bought 10. You know when you sat there and you think, how many shall I get? Oh, go on then. Oh, I've got the king. That's a father, and the other king is Philip's father, isn't it? Yes, see, it's all coming back to me now. Isn't that a song? It's all coming back to me. It's all right, guys. I should be working, and I'm having this little sky. So I need 2 more out of 5 pins. Will I do it? God, another new one. Another new one. No idea, but he's a baddie. So he goes under Maleficent. So at the minute, I am now just looking for Sleeping Beauty. I'm just looking for Aurora. So let's put that there. And then I can actually put them all together and show you. Oh, wow. This is going to be really big on my pin board. Oh, I love this. Right. 2 boxes. I've got a 25% chance. 1 in 4 chance. No. I've got Philip's dad again. So I've got another Philip's dad. This is a duplicate. This will be a fairy, I'm sure. Oh no. I've got Sleeping Beauty's dad. Oh my, oh my. I've got one box. We've gone down to the wire. No, I'm not going to get you to pray on the box. I am cursed. Oh my word. I know I haven't done it because I've just had a feel. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that. 20 pins to get 10 and I only got 9. Oh dear. It's funny, isn't it? So let's put together what I have got so far. Oh, I can't believe that. Oh dear me. Right, so this is the tricky bit, is figuring out where it all goes. Right, so that goes there, and then that goes there, and then she goes, the fairy whose name I do not know, goes there, then she goes, points virtually meet. Oh, I cannot believe that. Talk about disappointing. So that's where we're at. We're just missing Sleeping Beauty to actually complete the set. 10 boxes and I've got 11 traders. So yes, if you've got Sleeping Beauty and you need any of the other ones that I've got extras in, go and join the group and we can trade. Or if you want to purchase any of my other ones, join the group. Or if you want indeed any Disneyland Paris pickups or French pins, just go and join the group. I hope you enjoyed that. I cannot believe I didn't do it. I really can't. Anyway, be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.